Hi, welcome to RINGBELL. This video will show you how you can make your taskbar transparent. You can actually make your taskbar transparent, and I'll show you how you can do that. For that, you have to go to Microsoft Store. Just take the Microsoft Store and then search for translucent TB. TRANSLUCENT, this one, translucent TB. You can see that it has a 4.4 rating. So you have to install. This is a free app available in Microsoft Store. So just click and install it. Once it is installed, open it. Now you can see that. Yeah, it's simple. Your taskbar is now transparent. Rest everything will work like the same, but your taskbar is now transparent. So if you want to bring it back again, then just click on it and click Translucent TB. It will be again transparent, and you will get the maximum window screen space visible. If you want to bring back the taskbar, then just click on it, and the taskbar will be back again. So if you want to remove it permanently, just right click on it and click uninstall. It will be removed. So hope you have enjoyed it. I'll come up with more updates regarding Windows 11 and more apps from App Store, which is very useful, and you can try in your Windows 11. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share.